If you are applying for a long residency, means 10 years long residency settlement, what documents do you need? So in this video, I'll just share one of my consultation experience last week with a client named Sita. So Sita is I've changed the name intentionally just to hide the identity of the client. She came from India. She was a student. She studied in the UK medicine. She became a doctor and she is now practicing as a doctor in NHS. She's being sponsored by NHS and having skilled worker visa. She finished almost her 10 years in the UK and she was applying for settlement. So she reached out to my firm, booked a consultation with me, and it was very interesting consultation. It lasted around 10 minutes and she was very stressed, puzzled about the number of documents she would require to submit for her long residency application. So yes, we do charge consultation fees. We charge £300 plus VAT up to 60 minutes. She paid these fees and I will be sharing this experience for free on this video with you. This is how it goes. If you are applying for a long residency, means 10 years long residency settlement, what documents do you need? So going to Sita, I asked her a question. Sita, can I pause you for 1 second, please? Let me ask you one question. Do you have last 10 years of your passport with you? The last 10 years of your passport? I say, yes, I have. Okay, brilliant. So let me just tell you, this is what you need when you prepare your long residency application. You need your last 10 years of passport, the passport you have used from day one you entered the UK till date. That's what you need. You need your life in the UK test certificate unless exemption applies, and you need to satisfy the English language requirement. Of course, she studied in the UK. She had bachelor's in medicine, so it's done. And if you don't have any bad character, no criminal conviction, and all of your applications were submitted in time and there is no excessive option over last 10 years, so you are allowed up to 540 days if you are applying for long residency. If you haven't stayed excessively abroad during last 10 years, then it's that straightforward application for long residency. The documents you need: your passport for last 10 years, life in the UK test certificate, and your English language requirement, right? That's all you need. I said, wow. She said, really? I said, yes, that's all you need. Oh my God. She said, oh, I've been looking for my last 10 years bank statements, my employment letter, my school letters and all that. I was so paranoid, I was so stressed, I was so puzzled. And thank you so much for giving me this information. Are you sure? Is that all I need? I said, yes, I am 500% sure, because this is what I've been doing for last 13 years and you don't need anything else because your case is straightforward. And she thanked me for this beautiful good advice and that was it. But the summary of this is, she also shared a little bit more. She said, oh, I was trying to get in touch with the law firm and said, oh no, we'll just charge £1,500 or £3,000. We cannot advise you about anything else. Are you ready to pay this fees? If yes, go ahead. Otherwise, sorry, we can't help. So that wasn't nice experience. But then she reached out and booked a consultation with me and she got a beautiful advice, made her life so easy. She said, I can prepare the application myself. It's straightforward. And I said, Sita, it's fine. You can prepare your application yourself. If you believe you can do it, do it. If you're confident, do it. But there are circumstances where clients like to instruct lawyers, and the reasons might be different for different people. I said, someone likewise yourself who is a very, very busy doctor working with NHS, making decent salary, probably it might be easier for you to outsource the work to someone who is a professional, experienced and expert. So, and when you outsource, you don't need to worry and take stress about researching and being paranoid whether you have done it right or you haven't done it right. So I said, these are the circumstances clients do instruct us. It's not just, it doesn't need to be the most complex case. So client instruct us for various reasons. It doesn't have to be like the most complex case on the earth for us to take the case. It can be complex for you, might not be complex for us. So the conclusion of this consultation is, if you are applying for long residency, you just need all your passport of last 10 years if you haven't lost any, Life in the UK test English language requirement. Subject to you meeting rest of the requirement, which is excessive absences, no criminal conviction, good character requirement, and you submitted all your applications in time. So it's called 10 years of continuous lawful residence. So if you meet all this requirement, you can submit the application easy peasy. Hope that helps. If you like my content, add some perspective, add some value. For the time you are investing watching this video, I would highly recommend, please subscribe to my channel now, and like this video, share this video with someone you think might be helped, and yeah, you might have some follow-up questions. So drop a comment with your question in the comment section below now, and I'll prepare a video for you on that specific topic as in when I get time. So thank you so much. If you are preparing your immigration application, I wish you all the very best. I hope it gets through quick, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video soon.